Hello everyone, I'm Ashwarya. Welcome to our show, The Bottom Line. Today's headlines are: MV India emphasis on the healthy lifestyle kicks off health and hygiene awareness campaign. Nykaa Fashion launches Canre by Kalyan Jewellers. Insurance Dekho launches COVID-19 vaccination slot finder. Red FM announced the campaign Hausla High Rakh to promote hope. Gautam Gulati shares how he bagged the role of Girgit in Radha. MV India, one of the country's leading FMCG direct selling companies, kick-started the awareness campaign to encourage health and hygiene practices. Launched on Amway's 23rd anniversary in India, the campaign aims at spreading awareness on how the right nutrition can help in building a healthy lifestyle. The campaign is being supported through a series of virtual sessions with panel of doctors and nutrition experts. Commenting on the launch, Anshu Budhraja, CEO of Amway India, said, "Self-care with nutrition, immunity and hygiene will continue to be the focus for us this year, and in line with this, we announced the Health and Hygiene Awareness campaign on our 23rd anniversary in India to helping people live better, healthier lives." Next up is Nykaa Fashion, the multi-brand e-commerce fashion platform, now presents its first offering of fine jewelry with a collection by Canre from Kalyan Jewellers. A special line unveiled from Nykaa Fashion users. This is a beautiful mix of classic and timeless piece in gold and diamond. Canre by Kalyan Jewellers unveil a range on Nykaa Fashion that is versatile and sophisticated with a wide selection for every mood and occasions. Rupesh Jain, founder and CEO of Canre by Kalyan Jewellers, said, "Canre houses an extensive collection of women-centric jewelry across tradition, designer and daily wear. We believe Nykaa Fashion is the most apt platform for discerning buyers across the country to discover our designs and catalog." Next up is Insurance Dekho, a leading insurtech startup, launched COVID-19 vaccination slot finder, a platform to help citizens across the country to check the availability of COVID-19 vaccination slot near them, as a part of the company's effort to fight the coronavirus pandemic. The COVID-19 vaccination slot finder facility will assist all in locating vaccination centers nearby and directly visiting the CoWIN app and book the slot if available. In case of non-availability of a vaccination slot, the said facility will enable the user to receive a prompt notification regarding the slot availability. Commenting on the launch, Mr. Ankit Agrawal, co-founder and CEO of Insurance Dekho, said, "With the COVID-19 vaccination slot finder, we hope to reduce the hassle and the ordeal of refreshing the present platform for new slot repeatedly." Next up is 93.5 Red FM, India's leading private radio and entertainment network, announced the campaign Hausla High Rakh, with the aim of spreading hope and inspiration during this time when the entire nation is reeling under the second wave of COVID-19. The campaign focuses at keeping the spirit high of Red FM's listener by prompting positive content. Beyond cricketer Suresh Raina and Bollywood's leading music composer Shekhar Ravjiani are the face of this campaign. RJ Ronak from Delhi will lead the campaign across the network. Next up is the Radhe actor Gautam Gulati has been basking in a rave reviews as his character of Girgit has received much love from the audiences. The journey of Gautam to Girgit may not have been an easy one, as the actor primed in his mind, body and soul to get into the zone of his first ever all-out negative role. Speaking about how the role of Girgit came to him, Gautam adds that this would have not been possible if Salman sir was not there. He met randomly and he hugged me and he thought we should work together. He asked me if I would play a negative role and I could not believe it. I told him that all my favorite heroes are the negative ones, and the very next day this team called me and it was it. This is it for today. Thank you for watching triple.com.